So guys, I was waiting up on Beachy Head, waiting for my model to turn up. She was stuck in traffic around about an hour away, so I had plenty of time. Luckily I met Jordan and one of his colleagues there. They were doing some photos of this old 405 mi16, which is only 4 left in the country apparently. So here's Jordan basically at work, and he said it was quite nice to see shots and things of him actually working, so I was just happily snapping away because it was passing time, and it's always nice to meet other photographers doing their thing. So we also had a GTR turn up, and then later on we had an Aston Martin DB11 also arrive. Just random people, but that GTR was filthy. I obviously didn't wash it very often. As you can see there, even though it was quite a cool paint job, it was absolutely disgusting. But they were a member of some kind of club, so I imagine it gets washed for that. But as you can see, the weather was perfect, nice and hot, and the way the South Downs have changed, they've gone yellow rather than being nice and green. As you can see there, the Aston Martin in the distance. But there, we sort of waiting for the right moment there to get the shots of the car. I think Jordan was setting up the lighting and things like that. So, but turned out actually quite an interesting morning. I then took some shots of them driving past with wide angle and samyang 14mm f2.8. A few shots there. Jordan doing the typical I'm a photographer, I don't have my picture taken. Something like that. I don't know what he was doing, but anyway, it was just quite funny. And then I just snapped a few shots of the car, just for interest shots really, while I was waiting. And yeah, it's a cool old machine really, considering obviously my RCZ's a more modern day Peugeot. It was quite interesting to see how cars have changed over the last 20 odd years, how basic they were inside and things like that. So there you go. So Jordan had his lighting set up to do the interior shots, but the lighting was really harsh. It was bright sunshine, it was not a cloud in the sky, so utilising a bit of light there. I mean, I shot this with no lighting, but obviously you can see the sun's coming and overpowering the steering wheel, so obviously he's put some light in there to counteract that. But that was just a quick snap from me, that one. And then they took the car down and up around the really cool twisty bends up on Beachy Head, where the road's lovely and smooth, and it's a very well used piece of road for car and bike. So automotive magazine reviews and things like that. It's been used many times. So this shot here was a 3-shot merge with the 14mm samyang, so you can see the whole bend and the car replicated 3 times in 3 different areas of the shot. I would have had more in there, but obviously the discovery was quite close, so it would have been a bit of an overlapping job. So, but anyway, check Jordan's Instagram out, follow him, and also check his website out. It's pretty cool. There's some seriously cool photos there of cars and things. So anyway guys, please subscribe, please click the notification bell, and I'll see you soon.